Welcome to VGN, a name synonymous with more than 82 years of excellence. With over 250 projects, 850 acres plotted developments, and 20 million square feet of residential spaces delivered, we've proudly served 60,000 happy customers. Now, we're excited to introduce the 252nd project, VGN Highland Phase 2, a premium plot development community located on Gerigambakam, 15 minutes from Porur Junction, Chennai, with seamless connectivity to Kundratur Main Road. Its strategic location offers close proximity to top educational institutions, hospitals, IT parks, and transport hubs. Well connected to Mount Poonamali Road, providing access to Tambaram Bypass, Porur, Kundratur, Pammal, Anakaputtur, Ayappantangal, Baikadai Bus Stop, and Gindi. VGN Highland also has additional connectivity option via Tambaram Bypass from Kovur Service Road, providing access to our site. Quick reach to Chennai International Airport and Pallavaram Radial Road, near Sri Ramachandra Medical College and Hospital, PSBB Millennium School, and Lalaji Memorial Omega International School. Within commuting distance of DLF IT Park, L&T Infotech, Olympia Tech Park, and Virtusa Hub. High potential for appreciation due to expanding infrastructure in Gerigambakam and nearby areas. Thanks to your unwavering support, VGN has successfully sold out Highlands Phase 1, and now we're delighted to introduce Phase 2 with pre-installed features like Panchayat Water, underground EV provision, storm water, solar street lights, and avenue trees. 102 premium villa plots spread across 4.33 acres in Gerigambakam, 15 minutes from Porur Junction, Chennai. Discover a land of joy and prosperity. VGN Highland is where dreams and aspirations come to life. Strategically located in Gerigambakam, 15 minutes from Porur Junction, Chennai, it is thoughtfully designed to offer you the perfect space to build your dream home. Panchayat water line. As per Panchayat norms, we have provided a 3-inch PVC pipe along with landscape area, and we have provided a 2-inch PVC pipe provision for water line to plot connection purpose. Electrical trench system. Our system is designed for maximum efficiency, durability, and user convenience. The advanced electrical trench system features a reinforced concrete structure, moving beyond traditional underground cable methods for enhanced protection. A reinforced concrete slab over a solid concrete bed adds extra strength, while paved shoulders safeguard cables and prevent pavement edge damage. EB chambers with removable shoulders ensure easy maintenance and individual plot connectivity. EB pillars at every road junction simplify access to the power supply. Our underground cables are built for a longer lifespan with minimum maintenance, and we have provided a 2-inch PVC pipe provision for EB trench to plot connection purpose. Stormwater drain system. Our stormwater drainage system is built with a reinforced concrete structure, providing strong protection against flooding and waterlogging. It features a 6-inch thick bottom slab on a solid concrete bed, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. Designed to handle peak water flow during floods, it efficiently channels excess water away, reducing flood risks while enhancing water harvesting. This advanced system not only safeguards infrastructure, but also serves the community by supporting irrigation and emergency water needs, delivering a reliable and sustainable water management solution. Road layers. Our roads are meticulously designed to offer exceptional stability and durability, with each layer carefully constructed to ensure a robust foundation. The filling embankment within the paved surface is built to the highest standards with rigorous testing conducted on every layer for optimal performance. A 1-inch thick seal coat is applied to provide a smooth, protective surface. A 2-inch thick 60 by 70 grade bitumen layer is used to ensure superior strength and flexibility. A 3-inch thick wet mix macadam layer acts as a binding base, offering strength and stability. A 4-inch thick granular sub-base layer is laid to distribute loads evenly and provide a stable platform for the upper layers. 15-inch thick foundation consists of fully compacted mountain earth, carefully selected and compacted to offer an exceptionally strong base. Depth varies as per site condition. The final layer of our road features rammed earth, a sustainable and durable material made from compressed earth, sand and gravel. This comprehensive multi-layered construction approach ensures long-term durability, excellent load-bearing capacity and minimal maintenance, providing a road that stands the test of time. Miyawaki. Our developed lots include a lush Miyawaki forest, a dense eco-friendly plantation method that promotes biodiversity and enhances green cover. It creates a natural serene environment while contributing to a healthier ecosystem, plus a 2-in-1 purpose court, half basketball and shuttle with seater provisions. Signboards. Clearly marked signboards are placed throughout every street, ensuring easy navigation and enhancing safety. Solar street lights. Our developed lots feature eco-friendly solar street lights, providing sustainable and energy-efficient lighting throughout the community. These lights ensure well-lit streets at night, ensuring safety and reducing energy costs. Become a part of the VGN family and claim your ideal piece of land, offering exceptional features and advantages. Visit our website or get in touch with us to explore our ongoing projects and discover how we can assist you in finding the perfect property.